many times after we get an award sign, we start celebrating and we don't actually follow up. I'm more intent in following this up and ensuring that even if we can get 70 to 80% of what they have assured us, I think the lives of our people will improve significantly. And believe me, if the lives of 30% of the population improves in Tripura, it also benefits the other 70%. Because the scales of economy, the scales of inequality ensure that there is fair play to all.
So, as you said, you will follow up. At the same time, the elections are coming, and
I know that the media is under tremendous pressure to talk about elections. I'm under tremendous pressure not to talk about these things because I was under tremendous pressure to deliver for my people. I have not occupied any big political post in government or for the matter in the assembly or in the parliament. I'm not interested in that. Right now I'm more interested in delivering what I have promised to my people. Media will ask these questions because generally it is seen that people sign up for and then get something. I would like to, if I want to get something, I will anyway take it. I will not spoil this Pavitra Sthan today, where we have just finished Pratna, Puja, to discuss politics and talk about what is my negotiating power, what is my bargaining power. My negotiating power was the best before the election. I didn't take that chance because I wanted it in writing. Now when the government has given it to us in writing, we will deal with it. I've got a lot of people who have called me and spoken nicely to me. The Chief Minister spoke very kindly. The former Chief Minister Biplab Dev spoke very kindly. Sudeep Rai Burman spoke to me even today. He was inquiring about my health. We have an old relationship. He was very nice to me. So why would I speak about politics today? I don't think today is the right time to speak about politics.
bubagra to playing